So guys, we're going for a bike ride. Kararating ko lang galing work. So we decided to have some fun.
Fun? This is not fun. This is work.
Work for you. You need to inflate a little bit, I think. You think?
Inflate a little bit? Oh, I think it's a
A
lot.
lot.
So,
So ito yung bike ko. Come on, guy. Faster, guy. Ang init ngayon, oh. Grabe. Like yesterday.
yeah,
Not
nice
as
day.
hot as yesterday, but
Really? Not as
yeah.
hot? You don't think?
Yep. At least today is a little, you feel the breeze, right? What?
It's rusted or?
Yeah. Saan dun yung bike niya? No
Not good enough.
way.
I need to get it up.
Muscle, man.
No. It's stuck.
Tak ka dyan eh.
Ow.
Ow! Ow! Do the job, malab. Meron din akong water dito. Ayaw niya ng water. Siguro makikishare lang sa akin yan.
This is not the best air pump, but whatever.
You want me to hold it?
It'd be good, yeah.
Okay. He's going to do his bike.
You need to do the same thing you did before.
Oh, sorry, malab. See?
If you could hold that down, that'd be good.
Oh, wow, yours like really need some love. Are you ready, malab?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready for the adventure?
As ready as I'll ever be. Whoa, showing off already, huh? Alright.
So dito sa Canada guys, pwede ka pa rin mag-bike, running outside, tapos walking, basta social distancing. Kahit nung lockdown talaga dito, pwede pa. Hanggang ngayon. Pwede. Here, my love? Yep, I did. She followed me. Kasi dito sa neighborhood namin, maraming mga business area. Yan o, mga close eh. Sorry, malabo. Because
Go off into the distance. Oh, look at the trees, so bright and green. Looks like the trees are coming to an end shortly. The power generation facility. Older houses here, but they have nicer backyards. You don't get in new developments. Hello there. What a fine day for a bike ride.
layo na nang narating namin. Ano lang, straight lang tong trail na to. Tapos, may naririnig kaming gunfire. Maybe it's a hunting season too, right?
Yeah, they're
Hunting
hunting
season?
something.
Yeah, they're hunting. You see? Can you hear that?
I'm not sure what they're hunting because
Yeah.
well, I'm not a hunter. Not deer or anything. Probably birds. partridge, pheasant,
Yay.
something like that.
Stop muna kami. Balik na kami.
So,
Kasi
Google
itong
Maps.
road na to all the way down there. Hindi na kami pupunta doon. Balik na kami. Balik na kami dyan. Dami nagbabike kanina. So where are we now, Malak?
I upgraded my phone, the OS, so I have to calibrate the Google Motion thing.
We are lost. Good thing it's breezy.
Yeah, see, look, see Stittsville shooting range.
Oh, there's a shooting
So
range
they're
in
shooting
there.
rifles there.
The shooting range?
Yeah, people take their rifles and just shoot at targets, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, we're hearing lots of gunfire.
See, I said don't let them bite you. Bit me.
How could they bite you?
Yeah, I felt it.
With,
Let's go, Badal. There's lots of mosquito in here. Phew,
show
that's
them
big.
Show them where we
Yeah, I showed.
came from. Oh yeah, you did.
I did.
Behind you.
Ooh,
Yep,
they're
mosquitoes.
big mosquitoes.
Lock and load.
Yeah, let's go.
Remember, we'll stop at the blue sign, okay?
Okay, what's blue shine? Did it bite you?
Yeah, we're about to.
Okay. Let's go, let's go. Hi guys, karating lang namin siguro mga mga 20 minutes ago. Ligo kami agad kasi punong-puno kami ng dust at kung ano-ano pang dumi. It was fun. It was, we enjoyed that bike ride na yun. 3 unfortunate things happened to me during dun sa bike ride namin. So first, naaksidente ako. Yes, sa bike. Kasi umiinom ako. So habang nagbabike kami, si Bill nasa likod ko, si husband nasa likod ko, umiinom ako. Remember yung tumbler na nilagay ko dun sa may bike? So umiinom ako habang naandar, tapos nilalagay ko dun sa lalagyanan niya. Remember, meron yung bike ko may lalagyanan. So nilalagay ko dun habang naandar, tapos nahulog, tapos na daanan siya ng aking gulong. Nung nadaanan siya ng gulong, yun na, nagkasemplang-semplang na ako. At ito ang nangyari. Ayan. Kung nakita nyo, ayan o, medyo maga. Ayan, maga siya, diba? So, tumama ako sa more. Tapos, nung nahulog ako, nasa likod ko si husband. Siyempre, hindi siya makabrake agad-agad kasi biglang nahulog, diba? Ayun, nahulog, din siya. Naaksidente rin siya sa pagkahulog ko. So, yun yung first. Second na nangyari, on the way doon sa pinuntahan namin, karoon ako ng allergy. May seasonal allergy kasi ako, guys. So, around this time, springtime, malakas talaga yung allergy ko. Grabe. Bahing ako ng bahing. Tapos, mostly do sa right nostril ko yung allergy. Talagang makati siya. Tapos, basa. Tapos, nag-create siya ng mucus. So, bahing ako ng bahing, ganun. So, yun yung nangyari. So, yun, kaya kong tiisin yun. Yung pangatlo, coming back, habang umaandar, may pumasok na bug dun sa mata ko. As you can see, namumula yung mata ko. Pinilit kong hindi siya hawakan, pero ginanong ko lang siya. Itong knuckle ko, ginanong ko siya. Kasi makati talaga, parang feeling ko pumasok yung bug doon sa gilid. So, yun yung nangyari, coming back. 3 unfortunate things happened to me. But we made it. We enjoyed it. And this guy, you enjoyed it, baby?
Oh, come here, my sweet, smelling, beautiful bicycling companion. Yeah, we enjoyed it. It was Michelle's idea, and every now and then she has some really good ideas, and it turned out to be a much better and enjoyable time than I thought because the weather was perfect.
Yeah, I know.
It was sunny and warm, but not too warm, and it had a nice breeze, though we didn't really sweat much.
Yeah.
We traveled, according to Google Maps, 10 kilometers one way. 20 kilometers total.
Yeah, he was checking in here.
And Trans-Canada bike path. That's what we were riding on. Mostly gravel, but pretty smooth.
I know.
And then we stopped in some flat wetlands, and there was quite a bit of mosquitoes. So we decided to stop,
that too,
there.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's when your allergies were at their worst.
Started, yeah.
And then we came back. Yeah. Coming back was a little bit easier because it seemed like certain parts were very slow grade upwards incline. So it was a little more effort to go there than to come back. But overall, lots of people outside. It's a good day for cycling and running. So yeah, we saw lots of people.
Yep. So I had a great time there, Bola. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh no, thank
It
you.
was his first First time in that route. I've been there in that route last year.
Second time for her.
Second time for me, but I did not go that far.
I was curious, yeah. I checked on the map. There's nothing really. If we went further, we'd have to like bicycle for another half an hour before we got somewhere interesting.
Apparently, that route can go all the way west, right? Like non-stop.
Yeah, there's some breaks where you're in the town, and then you have to sort of cycle through a small town to continue on the path.
That's interesting how big trails in Canada. I was surprised when I came here.
We have lots of land.
Lots of land,
lots
lots
of
of trails, and I had a great time, baby.
Yeah, it was a surprisingly enjoyable mini adventure.
Yep. We'll see how this kid is doing.
Complaining too much. Mama, wait.
Wanna say hi? Say hi first. Say hi. This is Bago. My baby number 1 is a furry kitty now. You're a furry kitty now. Lagi kinakagat ka naman. Kasi natin yung isa. Yung isa kasi, nandito rin pala yung isa. Nasa likod din. Hi, baby. This is Bamo. Recently, nagkasakit siya Nakagat siya ng bee. Ayan, Ayun, kita nyo yung butas. Nadala namin siya sa vet. So, nagkaroon ng pus yung kanyang, kasi nga, sa pagkakagat, di ba may poison. So, namaga siya, karoon ng nana. Tapos, finalush nung vet. Nilagnat siya. Masama pakiramdam niya nung few days ago. Pero okay na siya ngayon. Nabigyan na siya ng antibiotic. Tapos, yung sugat niya, saan yung mata, hindi parang boil, alam mo yun. Fresh pa, pero mukhang hindi na masakit. Bigyan naman, gumaling na ikaw. Kasakit Kawawa kaya yan. Walang ganang kumain. Tapos nanginginig siya. Before vet yun. Tapos nalaman namin sa vet na mataas yung lagnat niya. Another $300. Almost $300, right, bebe? The vet bill? There are babies. They are our fur babies. I'm trying to find that correct word for that. Yeah. Order kami ng food. It's now 6 p.m. Ang liwanag pa So yung mga restaurants dito guys sa Canada, open siya pero for pick up or for delivery. Decide na kami na mag-order today. Tinamad magluto. Kaya I'll pick it up. Ito yung restaurant guys, Napolis Cafe. It's an Italian restaurant. So hihintayin ko lang yung tinawagan ko muna yung babae. Sabi ko na nandito ko. Lalabas nila yung food. Pero bayad na. Nabayaran na ni husband online. Kaya no worries.
What's mine? What the heck is that? Oh.
Big portion, no?
Yeah, it better be. $22 each.
$22 each? Yeah. We're going to eat out here again. Second time, right, my love?
Second or third, yes.
Yeah. So it's past 6 now. So
look at this wonderful color.
Beer or bear? Bear tag.
Hug.
Hug! What did I say thug?
You said tag.
Yeah, I said why thug. It's nice
the
color.
The cashier said, "Oh, what a wonderful color! Don't you love
Me
beer?"
too. Like, husband ordered my food, so I don't know.
This is the Gramine, and this is the
Gramine?
American Chane, whatever.
Oh my!
We could try it.
Babe, can't
my
open.
Oh, remember yours has olives, right?
Ooh, okay.
See how it is?
Interesting.
We could trade if you don't like it. I'm never fussy, you know that.
Bon appetiting.
Bon appetito, tout le monde. Mine's spaghetti, yours is not.
Okay, let's see. Please. Please what? Subscribe.
Please like and subscribe to my channel, which does not exist yet, but you'll be glad when you do.
But this time, it's me first, right?
Me pa?
Me, ako muna.
Ako naman kana, ako na mataro?
What? Ako muna, yung aking channel first,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, Incan channel first.
Okay, whatever. Okay, bye!
Bye!